Enjoy the view of this 2025 Toyota Camry. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC. Treat yourself to an inspired driving experience. Get into this industry-leading Camry and savor its blend of luxury, efficiency, power, and style. Our team is standing by to make your test drive fun and easy.